In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix camera missing from Device Manager in Windows 11. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, when your webcam or camera vanishes entirely from the Device Manager layout, it means Windows 11 cannot see the physical hardware connection. It's typically triggered by hard privacy switch toggle or corrupted USB hub state or missing motherboard chipset lines. And you can force Windows to re-index the hardware and restore your camera node in under 75 seconds. So what modern laptops and standalone webcams feature physical kill switches designed to completely sever power to the camera sensor for privacy, and when flipped, the device acts as if it is unplugged. So what you want to do is look for the sliding shutter on your camera and basically make sure that the switch is turned on as well if it does have a switch. Now what I want to do is right click the Windows icon after that and then go over to my device manager. Move your cursor to the top action bar layout and then click view, and then go ahead and press show hidden devices, which is going to show anything that is hidden or maybe it was disconnected or anything like that. Now, next, click directly on the topmost icon block on your directory tree and look at the top menu layout bar and click the scan for hardware changes button, and then this forces Windows 11 to scan your physical motherboard. And then that's it, you'll be good to go. So press this right here, and this is going to be scanning plug and play compliant hardware, and then anything that's missing is now going to show up. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.